In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Pocket Option with bank transfer. Now, depending on your country, this could be a very easy process or a very convoluted process. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check if you're actually just able to deposit money onto Pocket Option with your bank account. So go to the left menu, then press over here where it says Finance. Then go ahead and select on Deposit. Now you need to go ahead and select on your country and region over here, and where it says deposit method, you just want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down, and depending on your country, you may be able to do a simple bank transfer, and from there all you need to do is select on that option and that you're good to go. But as you're able to tell, in our instance, we actually aren't able to see an option that says wire transfer or bank transfer. So in this instance, the process can get a little bit complicated. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and use another application like Phantom Wallet or even things like Cash App, and basically we need to use our bank account to buy crypto on those platforms, and then using that crypto we send it over to Pocket Option, and then we can go ahead and use it in our Pocket Option account. So yeah, I know it can be a little bit confusing and it is a little bit inconvenient how we have to use like a third-party app, but that is certainly something that you guys could do. So obviously one really great example is by using Phantom Wallet. You can go ahead and connect your bank account to Phantom Wallet. You can connect your bank account to Phantom Wallet, and then all you would need to do is you would need to go ahead and send over your cryptocurrency over onto your Pocket Option account. So let's say for this example, we're working with Bitcoin and we want to deposit Bitcoin onto Pocket Option. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and purchase Bitcoin on our third-party app. I'm using Phantom Wallet. You guys could also use something like Cash App as well. And basically, once you have that crypto, then you need to go ahead and actually send it over to Pocket Option. So to do that, you want to head over to Pocket Option one more time. Then you want to go ahead and select on the same cryptocurrency. Then you want to go ahead and press on continue and pay right over here. Then over here, it is going to give you the processing time. And obviously you need to select on how much of the actual crypto that you're trying to receive. And over here, it is going to give you your Pocket Option crypto address. So you want to go ahead and copy it and then send it over to this address. And then from there, you actually are able to go ahead and deposit money using your bank account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.